Aristotle and understood the rings around the moon. What would it all matter if you loved me? Here in your arms where the world is impossibly still, with a million dreams to fulfill, and a matter of moments until the dancing ends. Here in your arms where everything seems to be clear, not a solitary thing would I fear, except for this moment comes near the dancing's end. If I caught the world in an hourglass, saddled up the moon so we could ride until the stars grew dim, not a solitary thing would I fear, except for this moment comes near the dancing's end. If I caught the world in an hourglass, saddled up the moon so we could ride until the stars grew dim, Here in your arms where everything seems saddled up the